matter if you're a fireman or a policeman, you're going to have to be trained in looking in windows with the drone for suspects, going into a house, trying to find them within the house. If you're a fireman, same thing, you need to know the hot spots on a building, which might now catch fire that isn't right now. The other thing is trying to train them to drop stuff for search area rescue, to drop water bottles, to drop thermal blankets to people. We've seen them on roofs of houses in floods where somebody's there waving to you, whatever, and so on. And the other is mapping. And these numbers here are called ground control points. You put those at a certain latitude and longitude so that when you get your software in the computer, it will be able to tell exactly where that is. And therefore you can do true mapping, depending on a lot of ifs and buts, heights, resolution and so on, will determine how close you can get. 1 centimeter, 2 centimeters, or 10, whatever, depending on these ground control points. That's what these numbered ones are. The other are the takeoff. We talked about safety. Your takeoff, your landing area is always restricted to those 2 people, and that's the homes here. So, and McKinley flew it yesterday, did a very good job on it. She's going to try to fly through today. The other is the hoops. For the fire people right now in their manual, what they have is these big white buckets. And within the bucket, they would put a number or whatever. And then they have to fly up as part of their training and be able to see what that number is. For example, in the commercial world of tower inspection, we've got lots of towers. It's relatively unsafe. Checking them out, they're doing that with drones. They have to be able to get the drone steady and close enough, or have a zoom lens where they can actually read the serial numbers on the cell phone transmitters. So all that comes with the skill and the training that goes with the pilot. And that's what we're doing with the young ones. So first will be McKinley here with the MIDI, and then Alex said he wants to do the tele.
Okay, so for this course, basically, this is the home point, the home beginning point, and that's the home end point. There's numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then home. Between 1 and 2, I have to fly through the hoops, or sometimes, if you like, sometimes I like to show off, and when I go through the hoops, I actually go up, in, and then through. That's also possible. But I'm going to have to land on each point, complete the obstacle course. So first I'm gonna have to. So I'll set first the takeoff button.
At this point, this can be taking pictures and transmitting video back to whomever or over the internet.
That's 1.
So in addition to her pilot skills to land it, she's got to make sure it lands in the right place.
4. That's 5. And that's home.
Let's give her a hand. She just got that drone for Christmas.